Assalamualaikum and good day to each and everyone, especially to our professor na Mufida Piadiyong. By the way, I am Jalil Zainoraen. So in this video, I will be sharing my reflection about the topic that was discussed by the group 5 regarding pop culture and its relationship with other sciences. So honestly, I found it really interesting and it made me wonder how much pop culture is tied into our everyday lives, even in the things we don't even realize. So, let's begin with pop culture and politics. So, at first I thought these two terms were completely different or completely different to each other or wala silang connectedness. But after viewing the different videos, I understood or I found out that these two terms were closely related to each other. Kasi yung pop culture, it shape how people think about politics. For example, yung mga songs, yung mga movies or memes can bring attention to important political issues like racism, social change, and gender equality. Yung mga celebrities rin, they can influence political views. Kasi when an artist or athlete support a movement or support a campaign na yung mga fans nila, they usually listen to them. And it is like using fame to spread awareness or using fame to promote. And then, it is actually neat to see na even yung mga politician tap on pop culture on social media sa mga or even in the songs to appeal to young folks. And mapapansin natin na yung pop culture is gamit na gamit siya noong malapit tayong eleksyon or noong kasagsagan ng eleksyon. Kasi maraming mga what is this politician na ginagamit yung social media. They use different social media platforms para mag-raise ng awareness, mag-spread ng awareness, mag-campaign, tsaka i-share sa atin yung mga platform nila. They even created the songs. And also, this group na-discuss rin nila yung about sa how pop culture and media are interconnected. Yung media uh, such as TV, social media, YouTube, and memes determine kung ano nga ba yung mag-viral. For instance, yung mga K-pop, at saka yung mga K-drama, they go viral because of TikTok, because of YouTube, because of TikTok, and because of YouTube. And then, wag rin natin kakalimutan yung mga memes na it is actually incredible kung gaano sila kabilis nag-viral, how they get us laughing, thinking, or even discuss important political issues. And then here comes pop culture and economy. At first, I never really considered it. At first, I never really considered it. But pop culture is a huge business kasi if a celebrity endorses a company, it can sell. So, makakabenta ito. And mapapansin natin siya until now and then. Kasi, di ba yung mga big company, they are using different forms of pop culture to endorse their product. And then, they're using pinapakita nila yung mga endorsement nila yung sa TV, sa different social media platforms, sa Facebook, or even sa TikTok. And then, nagva-viral din ito. And through that, kumikita sila ng malaking pera. And also, when a trend movie or songs catches on, it can make monies and it can make monies for businesses. And then yung mga uh, ano, it can when a trends in a movie or yung mga songs catches on, it can provide employments and makes monies for businesses. And then yung K-pop tsaka yung mga K-dramas, they are actually entertainment, 'di ba? Pero they are also working para ma-boost yung economy ng kanilang bansa. Yung mga fans worldwide, actually, yung mga fans worldwide, they are spending large or huge amount of money para umattend ng mga concert, bumili ng mga ticket, umattend sa mga concert ng mga uh, K-pop idol nila. And also, they are bumibili din sila ng mga different mga goods, yung mga damit, yung mga uh, face card ng mga idol nila. And also, sometimes pa nga nagta-travel pa yan sila papuntang Korea. So now let's talk about pop culture and social change. Social change actually refers to the different ways in which societies change, or to those ways in which values, beliefs, or behaviors transform over time. And pop culture mirror those shift and actually in part help created them. So and take the case of Instagram and TikTok, diba? They are very influential. Many people utilize them to build ideas, raise awareness, or campaign against different issues like racism, gender equality, or environmental change. Yung mga campaigns such as hashtag Black Lives Matter or hashtag MeToo, they went viral actually due to different social media platforms. And also, this group is na-discuss rin nila yung rules ng young people and subculture such as hip-hop in bringing change. They actually break the rule and make a change what is accepted within a community. Pero yung social change is not always easy kasi meron pa rin talagang mga barriers such as traditions, lack of fear, traditions, fear of change, lack of money, and unfair system. For example, kasi until now, meron pa rin talagang mga families or communities that resist gender equality because of old belief. And that is why yung education and awareness is very important. Kasi when people understand the benefit of change, na they become more open to it. And then meron rin tayong different kinds ng social movements that fight for change. Some ask for small change and some wants to completely change the system, like the People Power movement in the Philippines, tsaka yung Arab Spring in the Middle East. And actually, this movement shows the power of people when they come together. So, in conclusion, this video made me realize that pop culture is not just about trends or entertainment kasi it is actually a powerful tool that connects with politics, media, economy, and social change. And also, pop culture helps spread ideas, shape public opinions, and inspired actions. And as someone who enjoy shows and social media, it reminds me that what we share, what we watch, or what we support can make a real impact. So that is all. Thank you, Group 5, for such an informative and eye-opening presentation.